Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. Khan Digital YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to verify your Meta or Facebook Business Manager. First of all, why it's important, so let us understand. So the main thing to verify Meta Business Manager is you'll get WhatsApp API, and also the problem of ad account keep getting banned is once you verify the business account, that will get reduced your ad account ban and all that stuff. Once it's verified, it will get reduced. Your account won't get banned again and again every time. It happens, but not too many times. So let's start the video. Before that, do consider subscribing the channel and giving a thumbs up. In this channel I'll be giving you content related to WordPress, digital marketing, and ways, different ways of earning money online. So let's start the video. So the first thing you should do is you should log into your Facebook page, then come to the new tab and type Meta Business. So then you need to click on the first link and press get started. You'll come to your Meta Business Suite dashboard. So you need to select whichever business manager you need to verify. So for now I'll select this. So here I'll go to the settings. So the business manager settings will open, and we'll come down, we'll go to the security center. So here's one thing, see guys, see here it shows it is ineligible for verification. So whichever business manager before it's verified, it will show the same way. So almost all the business managers will have this type of notification that it's ineligible. So there's an indirect way of making it eligible. So how you can do that is you have to come to apps. What you have to do is you have to create a dummy app. We are not going to use it anywhere. Just if we create this app, what happens is once we create this app, the ineligible for verification that status was there, right? That will convert it to eligible. So for that we need to create an app. So we'll go to create a new app ID. We'll select others and we'll go to next. Select an app type. So we'll select it as business. Next. So here you need to enter your email ID, an app name like some random app name. Then you need to press create app. Then we need to enter our Facebook password. So now the tab now that the app is created, we'll go here. Actually we'll go back to the business manager settings. We'll go back to security center. And now you can see that it is showing eligible for verification. Here the button is there like start verification. So now you're eligible to verify the Meta Business Manager. So we'll press start verification and see what all the things we need to do. So we'll press get started. Where is your business located? Tell where enter where your business is. So I'll select India. Next. So here you need to enter your business name. So one thing to mention here, it is if you have legal business name, like if you have sole proprietorship certificate in which you have given some name for your business, or you have private limited company. So it's better to add that name and address exactly, so that once they verify the documents it will match. Otherwise they might reject your documents and it won't be verified. So I'll enter some random detail and I'll go to next, just to show you guys. So I'll press next. So this is the last step. So whatever details you entered, unlike me, I entered the demo content. So based on the details, they'll ask you, suppose your website name is, for example, google.com. So whatever professional website you make from your, you know, uh, professional website from your domain, like contact at google.com or whatever, support at google.com, whatever you make for a website, in that you'll get an OTP. Once you select email and click next, you'll get OTP in that mail, whichever you enter in the next step. So once you enter that OTP, then it will get submitted for review. Same way, it's phone call also. Once you select phone call, whatever number you gave in previous step, the call will come with OTP told on the call. So once you receive the call and listen to the OTP, you can enter that in the next step. Same way as the text message, you'll get it. And there's one more method called domain verification. Domain verification, here you can see where it is. Yes, this section is there, right? Domains. So whatever your business domain name is, you can connect the domain name and verify. If you want to choose this step, then you can select this step and press next. So once it's verified here, then obviously Google will detect that it's verified, and you know your business manager verification, they'll approve it. So yeah, that's all for today. Do consider subscribing, liking the video. Thanks a lot.